Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of how to prepare tofu so it doesn't taste like crap. And today we're gonna be learning how to make breaded tofu, which sounds like it could be gross, but it's not. And yeah, let's begin with the recipe. Okay, so we're gonna be using extra firm tofu today, and we're gonna cut it like this. We're just making slices. Out of these I got 13 pieces. As you can tell, they're not perfectly the same size. Some of them are thicker than others, but that's fine. I just cut it like however you want it, not too thick though. So we're gonna set it aside and make the tofu marinade, which is 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of water, but it looks like there's 2, but I have the measuring cup was a smaller one. And then we're gonna put a pinch of the spice mix. I have the recipe down below in the description box. So we're gonna mix it with chopsticks because I love doing that. Don't ask me why, because I have no idea. And we're gonna put it again on the small bowl and do just like that. We're gonna put this for 30 minutes in the fridge while the oven is warming up. Preheating oven, let's say. Anyways, let's go to the bag, which is the egg. So we're gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of garbanzo flour with the spice mix. Garbanzo flour is also known as chickpea flour. We're going to be adding the water just a little bit at a time so we can mix it and we don't get all of these, so it looks more runny. And we'll mix it again with chopsticks and mix. And we are going to be adding black salt, but it's optional. It won't change the flavor. It's just my preference. You don't have to do it if you don't have it. The breadcrumbs, really easy. I have a recipe down below. Just nutritional yeast. You add the tablespoon of nutritional yeast and it will be like super yummy. And mix it again with chopsticks. Yum. Anyways, so what we're gonna be doing, here's what I add: the black salt, kala namak. You don't have to. If you don't have it, it's fine. It won't change the flavor or anything. So we're gonna dip it in the bag and then in the breadcrumbs, just like so. I wanted to let you know that I don't like frying stuff. I do use oil, but I try not to use too much oil. And this is it. It's so simple. So we call this, my daughter called them breaded tofu, which I think that's the right name for it. Yeah, that's how we liked it. That's the name for it. So we're gonna be cooking this 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown, up to your liking. And then you serve it like we did here. Very, very delicious. That is all for today. Look how delicious this tofu is, and it looks so good. It tastes so good. I'm trying to show you, see if you can see it. Like, I have this in sandwiches, like wraps, everything. Even cold is delicious. I love it. Remember, tofu has protein, calcium, and iron, which is awesome for all of us that don't eat meat. And before I forget, remember, all the ingredients are going to be listed down below on the description box. And don't forget to leave me some comments. If you make it, that's awesome. Let me know. Remember, I have Instagram and Facebook where you can post your pictures of all the stuff that I'm showing you how to make and how you make it. And don't forget to subscribe and give like to this video. Anyways, I will see you in the next video. Bye.